Today, I'm going to show you how to solve a really common annoyance. How to make sure that taskbar disappears when you view YouTube videos in full screen using Google Chrome. If you've ever gone full screen and found that the Windows taskbar stubbornly stays put across the bottom of the screen, blocking content, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get that clean, uninterrupted viewing experience. Let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Google Chrome browser. If it's already running, great. If not, just click on that unmistakable icon, usually a colorful circle, in your Start menu or on your desktop. You don't need to have any specific site open for this, but if you want to test it out on YouTube later, keep a tab ready. Once Chrome is up, I want you to head down to your Windows taskbar. The taskbar is that horizontal bar typically running along the bottom of your screen, showing open apps and system icons. Give it a right click. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, right-clicking on an empty space, not on an app, is key, so you get the right menu options. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to find a spot that works. Sometimes you accidentally hit an app icon and get a different menu. Now, from the right-click menu, look for something called Task Manager and click it. Task Manager is a built-in Windows utility that lets you see and control all the programs and processes currently running on your computer. It's like the backstage area where you can see what's happening behind the scenes. If you accidentally click something else, just close it and try again. No harm done. With Task Manager open, there's a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in Windows Explorer. You'll see a process with that name pop up in the list below. Windows Explorer is the part of Windows that handles your desktop, file folders, and yes, the taskbar itself. It's important you choose this and not Internet Explorer, which is completely different. Next, right-click on Windows Explorer in the list. A little menu will pop up. Choose Restart. What this does is it briefly stops and then restarts the Windows Explorer process. For a moment, you might see your desktop icons and taskbar disappear and then quickly come back. Don't worry, this is totally normal. What's happening is Windows is refreshing the way it displays your desktop and taskbar, and this little trick often clears up that bug where the taskbar refuses to hide itself in full screen mode. And that's it, really. When you return to Chrome and try putting a YouTube video in full screen, you should see the taskbar stay hidden as it's supposed to. You'll get to use every inch of your display for video, the way it was meant to be. If it doesn't work right away, sometimes giving your PC a quick restart can help. But for most people, restarting Windows Explorer does the trick. Remember, this isn't just for YouTube. It works for any application where full screen is getting blocked by that sneaky taskbar. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you ran into any hiccups. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech fixes and tutorials just like this. Enjoy your full screen videos and see you in the next one.